Sure.
Okay, so I play a lot of video games.
Awesome.
A lot of fighting games. So I want to do like a script of one of the fighting game characters explaining how to counter like certain type of fight styles.
Okay. So one of the characters, not like this isn't somebody playing a game talking about space.
Like just the character literally in the game.
This is Ryu telling Ken like this is how you counter Sagat. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right. Let's see here. So like, what have you got so far?
So far I got exactly what I want I got where I want everything to take place, and I was working on the first panel. And in the first panel, I was saying that I wanted, it looked like they were like fighting in the first panel. So I explained all that, and the first panel was going to be about, one of the characters was going to be like, okay, well, so this is the first match, so you're not really going to want to throw out all your good moves. You want to see how they play first to counter. That's kind of what I was doing.
All right, so like, and this whole thing is just like a character taking another. Oh wait, hold that up for me again for a second. All right, so that's the thing from Dragon Ball Super, and they're like doing a special. So you're going to be moving the camera. This isn't all going to be side scrolling. Like you're going to be zooming.
Start off as side scrolling, and then like in different panels, it's going to be different type of images.
All right, I got you. So, and you don't have a script yet. You're just outlining like what's going to happen point to point. Okay, so a couple of things that might be worth thinking about, given what you're doing, is one, remember that like this is going to be pretty text heavy. So you want to allow a lot of room in like your images for text, but you also want to cut your text as much as you can. There's not a lot of room in comics for words, right? Like because it's a visual medium, there's only so much available on the page. You've only got so much real estate to put words in. So like a good rule of thumb is to limit every word balloon to no more than 12 words. And that doesn't mean 12 different like 12 words and they're all like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, right? That means 12 like words, you know, like no more than like maybe 8 letters at most. Unless you like really need to say something like, unless you really need to say like the U.S. Supreme Court or whatever. Like 12 words, keep them short, keep them simple. The other thing that might help is to like, you're really going to want to lean on your acting in this. So you're going to want like, you know, you're going to want to think a lot about like the body language and the motion of the characters as they explain things to each other, right? So like what I'm doing here with my hands is emoting. You get me?
Yeah.
Like you're going to want them to be doing that a lot, and it's going to be a little exaggerated because you want to tell us a lot about these characters without moving the camera too much, because you're really focused on making this like a fighting game.
Right, okay, that makes sense.
Let's try something else. Who else has one?